never count out Caloocan and Kian Baclaan, even with that huge lead.
A bit of an ankle break there, and he gets the jumper. Rekta sila kay Baclaan, fade away, jumper, that goes in. And here's Baclaan. Sinasabi niya, anong height advantage, height advantage? Caloocan Batangang Kalu and the South Division champions, Pasig Servants, Kian Baclaan, immediately on SG Moore.
So this is the third defender now on Baclaan.
And finally a foul, and that will count.
Possesses that deadly outside shot.
Speaking of deadly outside shot, nagmamadali ang Batangang Kalu. Baclaan all the way! Attacks, no call. Baclaan streaking down court. Baclaan goes up, and he gets
Points just like this guy.
Kian Baclaan get the ball to Baclaan up against Gaitos. Baclaan attacks. Shot is up and in!
This one,
Kian
44.
Baclaan, 44 points.